Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate YouTube parental controls. These controls will help you restrict the content your kids can see on YouTube. We'll explore two different options, and you can choose the one that works best for your family. So let's dive right in. The first option is using the YouTube Kids app. Instead of having your kids use the regular YouTube app, which has a red play icon, there's an entirely different app dedicated to kids called YouTube Kids. The YouTube Kids app is designed to provide a safer environment for children. You can download this app and open it to set up parental controls. Kids won't be able to access this app without a parent's permission. To set up YouTube Kids, open the app, and you'll see a lock icon on the bottom right of the screen. Tap this lock icon, and you'll be prompted to solve a simple math problem to unlock the parental controls. And you'll see a lock icon on the bottom right of the screen. Tap this lock icon, and you'll be prompted to solve a simple math problem to unlock the parental controls. Open up Your setting. Once inside, you can set up a custom passcode, a timer for how long your kids can use the app, and other settings to control what your children can watch. The second option is to enable restricted mode on the regular YouTube app and website. This helps hide potentially mature videos and restricts comments that might not be suitable for kids. It's not 100% foolproof, but it significantly reduces the chances of your children encountering inappropriate content. First, let's activate restricted mode on the YouTube app. Open the YouTube app and log into your account. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen and go to Settings. At the top right of your screen. In the Settings menu, you'll see an option General and tap on it. After that you will see for Restricted Mode. Toggle this on to enable Restricted Mode. This will filter out a lot of mature content from the app. Between the YouTube Kids app, Restricted Mode on YouTube. If there are any updates or new methods for setting up parental controls, I'll be sure to update this video. And there you have it. You have successfully activated YouTube parental controls. Voila! If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more tech tutorials. Stay safe and see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.